So one of our clients ended up getting into an accident. If you come take a look here, this is a pretty significant piece of damage. I don't think he's gonna get away with PDR here. This is definitely gonna need to be painted. Looks like the bumper is gonna need the film redone. He's gonna need a new piece of fender trim. It looks like he caught a part of the door, and he's got a piece of, it looks like the other driver caught a piece of the fender cover here, or the wheel cover. But I want to pull this off just to see what it looks like underneath. I'm fairly certain that there isn't any paint damage under this. Man, that's hot. Hot, hot, hot. There's no breached paint here, none whatsoever. So we just pulled the cavacha off. There's a couple of adhesive marks up here from us just pulling. But you can see here, even the deepest impact area, all of this paint is complete. So somebody who's really creative with paintless dent repair could probably make this look much, much better. However, because it's got multiple depth points along this hard body line, PDR really isn't ideal. So you can see here that this is pretty well unscathed. You can see they made contact with the bumper here. The bumper's likely okay and doesn't need any paint work, which is good. But now it does need the PPF replaced. The fender, all the paint's still complete. There's just adhesive left behind. This is why you want paint protection film on your car as soon as you get it. Had this been a lighter fender bender incident, we could have been able to pull this off and he could have just gotten paintless dent repair and been totally fine. Luckily, this will be covered under insurance, and we'll replace the PPF after the fact, after that this panel's been mitigated properly. So there you have it. Is PPF worth it? The age-old adage is, it's never worth it until it immediately is, right? This is pretty well proof of that.